Hey everybody, it's Bryce, and they're calling for a major snowstorm here in Philadelphia. I'm really hoping there is going to be a lot of snow tomorrow like they're predicting, because it's always the worst letdown ever. When you think there's going to be a big snowstorm, then you wake up and there's barely anything. Like this, for example.
Oh my gosh, there's gonna be so much snow outside, at least 2 feet, maybe 3 feet, maybe 4 feet, new records! Well, I knew I should have worn my pajamas inside out.
You know, I'm one of those people who really like the snow, along with most people, but every now and then, maybe 1 in 10 people, you'll find somebody who doesn't like the snow. I love the snow. I hate the snow.
Okay, I am back with the vlog now, and it is about 10:30 p.m., and the snowstorm has officially started. There's already a couple inches of snow on the ground, and the blizzard has begun.
Hey everybody, I just woke up, and it is not a disappointment. There is a ton of snow outside. Let me show you right now.
Look at all that snow. Now I'm gonna get all bundled up and go out in the storm.
So I am all bundled up right now. I have like a million layers on. I have layer under layer, and I'm ready to go outside in this blizzard. Oh my gosh, look how much snow there is. This is the ground right there. Look how far the snow goes up. That is way over a foot. That is about 20 inches right there. That is insane. I don't know how well you can see it, but that is a lot of snow.